Okay, so Daisy and Miss Kitty have a laser light. It just came in the mail today. Come on, baby. Brrr. Daisy. Daisy right here. Daisy. Crazy Daisy, come here. It's gonna get your butt. Here, baby. It's going in your bed. Daisy. Sorry for all the debris in the background, guys. I am going through my totes, trying to find all my Christmas stuff so I can give most of it away. Daisy! Here, kitty! It's gonna get your butt! You're so silly, girl. Come on. There you go. There you go, Daisy. Okay, I thought you guys would enjoy seeing that. Okay, bye.